How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. As you know by seeing some of my other videos, I'm a Milwaukee cordless tool fan, and for a while now I was thinking about getting into their Packout system, but just honestly I couldn't justify spending that kind of money. The greater portion of my work is done in the shop, so I figure I wanted to look for something a little more economical for kind of mobile toolboxes. So I was at Home Depot and I saw Husky had a 22-inch Connect rolling toolbox system. And for the price, I couldn't pass it up. So I decided to pick up this 3-piece unit and a drawer unit. So let me show you them. It's got these aggressive looking 7-inch wheels, a telescoping metal handle. To raise it and lower it, you just press this red button. It clicks in the spot. And once it's down, those contact the ground, so it gives it a little bit more stability. Less likelihood of it tipping over. The latches that hold the toolbox lids shut, made of metal. So they seem, pretty durable. And the latching mechanisms between the stages of the toolboxes are made of metal and these plastic latches. Pretty easy to use. You just pull them out to unlock them, push them in to lock them. So now I'll give you a quick look at each individual stage, starting with the top one. You undo the clasps, lid opens up, and it's got all these removable plastic organizers. So if you want to use them all or just a few of them, you can customize it any which way you want. If you want to just use this stage, you can close it up. And it's got this handy carrying handle, which brings us down to the second stage. It too has its own handle if you want to carry it independent of the rest of the box. Same metal clasps. Lid opens up. And you've got this removable tray. And plenty of storage on the inside. Which now brings us to the bottom stage. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a lid, which is one of the only downfalls I see so far. But that doesn't really bother me too much. If you do decide to use just the bottom thing, you can use it for taller stuff that sticks out past the toolbox. Now all the sections are interchangeable, so you can organize them and stack them in any order you want, starting with the bottom one. So it's pretty straightforward. Just place it on top, push the lock in, both sides. Move on to the next stage. Same as the other one. Push the locks in. And you're ready to roll. So here's all the dimensions of the different stages of the toolbox if you're interested. And I'll just kind of pause here for a little bit. So as you can see at the top of the unit, the handle protrudes enough for, another stage or two. I couldn't let that real estate go unfilled, so I decided to pick up another stage. I picked up this one. It's a 2-drawer system. It's got the handle again, and 2 drawers on the front, which are locked with this clasp. They're ball bearing slides. They open and close quite easily. Each drawer is rated to hold 12 pounds. And it's got these organizers, so you can make it in little parts trays. You can customize it any which way you want. And it also comes with some labels. What I like about this one is when you close it and lock the drawers, when you're rolling it around, you don't have to worry about the drawers opening them up. And with this section on top, it leaves you a good amount of space to roll it around if you're wearing gloves. Gives you some hand room. You don't have to worry about bashing your knuckles. And on top, it's got some little parts trays for holding little parts while you're working. Got to give it to Husky. My first impressions are pretty good. They made a pretty cost-effective rolling toolbox setup. Now that's not the only sections that are available. Let me start up the computer. I'll show you which other things are available for the setup. So if you go to homedepot.com, they got the Husky 22-inch 22 compartment cantilever organizer for small parts. Looks about the same height as the drawers, but when you open it up, it's got all sorts of organizable trays and a clear lid. You can also buy just another toolbox section. And they also have a 26-inch rolling toolbox, which, if you look at the lid, it will fit the 22-inch Connect toolboxes. You can store all your big stuff in the bottom. And as you can see here, the 22-inch Connects locks right to the top of the box. One feature I like about the 26-inch rolling toolbox is it's got an extension cord access point, so you have your chargers on the inside secure and charging your batteries. One thing I like about this system is the color. It's black. It's not bright red and doesn't draw a whole bunch of attention when you got the doors to your truck or van open. Once you get the labels and everything off, even if you got it in the back seat of your car or something like that, it's not going to draw a whole bunch of attention by people walking by. Because we all know fancy red toolboxes are irresistible for thieves when they walk past your car and break your window and take your tools. Yeah, I figure for the price, I just couldn't go wrong. I'll do another follow-up video once I use it for a little while and get it full of tools. Does anybody else out there have this system? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments section. Just want to end the video by thanking one of my new subscribers, Mark Apostle. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming. Anyway, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.